I'm back.
Why are you still wearing that unitard?
Well, here, let me help you get it off.
No. I pooped. I pooped.
Well, that's good. I haven't seen you at the Clam.
Well, I've been pretty busy. So can I get you something to drink?
Sure. What do you got?
Well, I've got water with cat hair in it.
Anything else?
I've got lemonade with cat hair in it.
Kind of a summer drink. Anything else?
Oh, sure. Cat hair ginger ale?
Nope.
Cat hair iced tea?
Again, summer.
You want to just take a look in the fridge, see what I got?
Sure. Someone just had kittens in my mouth. How do you know what's inside you unless you test yourself?